What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now, me and Fez is at the house again. Every time Fez is here, we're always doing something to the car or something. But right now, y'all, I remember I was telling y'all about the shop lights that I had, or whatever they call. We actually are installing the lights as what's the right word for it? As we speak, we actually are installing the lights. I have 8 of them. So right now we got 3 of them up. We're gonna be two right here, 2 on the back, and then 2 up here, and then maybe I may add the last 2 towards the end. So I'm about to turn it on. I can see how big of a difference it is, and especially when it's gonna be nighttime, how big of a difference it's gonna make. But I got these lights off of eBay, and I'm gonna find the link and put the link in the description. So they're pretty. I think I paid like around $50 for 8 of them. Fez got 6 and you paid 40. Say around $40, huh?
Yeah.
So not bad, and it lights up the garage pretty good. They just pretty much just clip in. These are light. They're not even, man, I can't even tell you how much they weigh because I feel like a feather, to be honest.
Oh. You might have to
undo it?
Did it fit?
Yeah, it fit.
Okay.
Ins and out. I think it's good. Let's see. Oh yeah. Damn. Just light that mug up. Yeah, let's see. Turn this one. So when this right there, I won't even need. Damn. And this was my failed attempt. Let me take these out. I was trying to make a curtain. Now I got holes in my ceiling. The plan was to make like a curtain with a powder coat, but that didn't work out.
Continue?
Huh?
You want to keep going that way? Or
Good. I mean, let me see. That may be bright enough. Damn.
Well,
God, they ain't turning it off, man. Too much stuff over here. Nah, I see everything. I mean, let's see. Alright, we'll close the garage door. Well, I can turn that off from here. Turn it off. All right. Oh yeah. It doesn't. It ain't gonna work without. Damn. All right, we're about to give y'all what it looks like with just all the lights connected.
Mo's reaction too. Shit.
Damn. Yeah, that works. Honestly, if I got one more,
Come on now.
one more to put right here to fill in this gap.
Well, you could, because the wire will go right there.
Yeah, one more. That's it to fill in that gap right here. But I mean, it's not as dark as it's not dark right here no more. That's a good thing. Does he think put out heat?
Nah, it's in heat.
Oh, just making sure. And then.
Man, those will put out heat.
I'm about to shine this one over here.
It hasn't been enough right here. This is where your workspace is.
Yeah, that's bright as hell, man. Damn. I think now I got to clean up. Man, when I say these lights make a hell of a difference, it ain't no. Man, it's starting to look like a shop now. I'm not exaggerating, y'all. This is what I was working with before. This is what I'm working with now. So when I do live streams, like if I do it inside the garage powder coating, I don't need that ring light anymore. And like these are worth it. 50 bucks for 8 of them. I think they go all the way up to 12. I'll put the link down below. Maybe I'll run this wire coming towards the back right here so it's not dangling, and it'll be dangling around right here. And yeah, makes me, I love it. I couldn't ask, can't ask for better. And then if you want them on, boom, turn them off. Good, and we back to the regular lighting. So my lid, lights up. Ooh, all right. Oh man, I'm a little nervous. Okay. This is just a sample, so I got it on a canvas shirt. Dang. All right, so we're actually coming up with new designs and stuff for the non-toxic, and this is our RC Rich Creations, which is the you know, the business we started with Rich Creations with the shirts and the cups and stuff like that, and eventually we split. The cups are still part of Rich Creations. It's just that it has its own separate Instagram. So Non-Toxic Vibes also has its own, Non-Toxic Vibes, it has its own Instagram. So this is just our logo, Rich Creation, and then the Non-Toxic Vibes. This is just one of the designs that my fiance came up with. And we've just been kind of putting to life. So we have different designs that we kind of messing around with, and we really don't know whether or not we should go, which one we should go with. But for my channel, I will have shirts on the website for the channel. If anybody want to get one, it'll be the G8 on the back, and it'll have obviously, y'all can see it, it'll say More Nation, have Rich Creations, stay humble. You know how the G8 used to look. This is just a sample right here. So they're pretty, I mean, it's pretty good, honestly. And obviously the front will either have something to do with More Nation. I'm waiting on another logo that I have somebody designing. I'm waiting on that logo to come. That may have, that, I may offer that one with, that'll be the logo for the channel. That'll be on the front of the shirt, but I'm also gonna offer shirts with Rich Creations logo on the front and the More Nation, my G8 on the back. The NTVO is not just a shirt, it is like a whole movement. It is what I live by. It is what, it's just, like I said, it's a whole movement, it's a whole vibe, it's a whole feeling. It's pretty much is what I live by day to day. Y'all see me when I say I don't respond back to negative stuff. Non-toxic vibes. I really do believe in energy. I really do believe in vibes, that you can feel energy and vibe. All that, you know, it's about the same thing, but you can feel that stuff coming off of people. That's how you know when you ever had that feeling. If you ever had that feeling when you're around somebody that you just don't like being around that person, and you don't know what it is, and you feel like, man, I'm just that you mean or something, or you're like, man, I don't know what it is about this person, but something makes me feel off around them. You feeling the energy off of them. That's what that is. You feeling the energy, you feeling the vibe, and that's what I live by. If the vibe ain't right, Mo ain't coming around. That's gonna be my new motto. Dang, I'm still coughing myself. If the vibe ain't right, I'm not coming around, because the energy, the vibe, it gotta be right. It gotta be good. If the energy, the vibe is not right, then I don't want nothing to do with it, because I don't belong there. So, alright y'all, so it is at night. Like I said, I was gonna show y'all the lights at night and what it looked like. I'm gonna give y'all 3 stages of what, you know, of what they pretty much look like. So, just to recap, remember I did 2 here. It's super dark. Have 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Well, 3 on this wall on this side right here, and then 1 that goes over. You can't see. You can only see it whenever the door is down. So this is how the garage looked when we first moved in, pretty much. Which is why I bought that LED light up there, which made a huge difference. So it was like super dark up inside the garage. So I'm gonna let y'all. All right, so now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with just the one LED on at the top. So that one LED does a lot. It really lights it up. So that's what it looks like with the one LED on. Now I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with all the LEDs on. So I don't know if y'all can tell the difference on the camera, but it's a big difference in person. You really can't tell the difference on. You can't really tell how bright these LEDs are unless you kind of see them in person. That's crazy because it kind of looks like, from taking the picture, it looks the same. Whenever this light is on, it looks about the same whenever I turn these on, but it is a hell of a difference when these are on. Like, these just light the whole place up. And then let me close the garage and show y'all real quick. With the garage closed, it makes an even more, like, it's just like every part of the garage is lit up except this area. Like every single corner is pretty much lit up, like I said, besides this area right here. My workspace over here that I'm usually doing most of my work, which I gotta, man, it's like I organize and clean up and it gets back how it was. It's crazy. But my workspace where I powder coat, screen print, all that stuff, that is like lit up to where I don't even have to worry about when I'm powder coated. Sometimes I can't see. That's one of my problems whenever I'm powder coated. So I powder coat inside here, and one of the problems is sometimes it's hard to just see because I need more light. But now I don't have that problem. So if you looking to light up your garage, you need some more lights or something, like these are super easy to install. You don't need a professional to install. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and I'll see y'all in the next video.